am so excited to show you the coffee kit. We did a coffee kit, was it last year or the year before? And I loved it so much. And we had so many people wanting another one that we put together another one. And it worked really, really well with this chapters collection that we did for November, that a line from the New Pot did for us. Her artwork is amazing, and the theme just worked so perfect, I thought, to bring in, to wrap that in with a coffee theme as well. And the one thing, we did a travel kit a while back, and the travel kit had a cover. And I really, really wanted to do that idea with this collection. I really wanted to do a coffee themed standard traveler's notebook cover. So that is what we did. And I love how it turned out. So if you purchase the coffee kit, it comes with one of these. So this is included with it. The one thing it doesn't include is a standard size notebook. So I'm going to talk about options. Some of you may have plain notebooks that you want to use for this, but I just wanted to mention a couple of the options that we have if you're interested in getting one. So the one thing that's new that we have is a plain standard size traveler's notebook. Okay, it will have a craft cover. I apologize, I only have my little sample here, so it's really naked. it will have a craft cover on it, but I wanted to show you just to kind of give you an idea. It will be just like this, nothing on the back, just this for a label. You can decorate this, stamp on it, you do whatever you want with this. The interior pages are all just grid. So it's wide open. You can do whatever you want with this. This kit is available right now to subscribers in your subscriber portal. You can add it to your upcoming order and you will get this. We have also included in that portal this blank notebook. Okay, so you can get that. So that's one option. The other option, if you subscribe to either our standard notebook, which has the calendar and that in it, or the standard size Simple Daisy notebook, that's an option. I think subscriptions right now, I think we're at capacity, but if you already subscribe to that, that will fit in here as well. Of course, any of our past standard size that we have in stock, you can always do that. Then the other option I wanted to mention, because we do have some of these in stock, if you go to the Daisy store and you look at the minimalist section in the store, we do have standard size notebooks in there as well. And this is what those look like. So if you're looking for a notebook to go in your beautiful coffee kit cover, those are some of the options, okay? Or you may have one all on your own. So I'm going to show you, first off, I'm going to show you this gorgeous cover. So it has the You're Welcome coffee. It says Brewing Happiness 1 Cup at a Time, and that's Cool Beans Coffee and Tea House. Isn't that cute? And then inside it has some pockets. So you have 3 pockets, you have this pocket, and then you have that pocket. So lots of little pocket options. And it has 4 of those, 4 of the strings. So you can fit up to 4 notebooks in here. It has a back pocket and a pen loop, okay? And I will show you in a minute when we're done. I will show you what I did with mine. But so you get this, and then you get all of the goodies that are in here. let's go through this. And so you get a roll of washi tape, and that has all of the cute little coffee cups on it. All the mugs, there's a couple coffee pots, there's a French press on there. You get this little beauty, and this you can attach. So it has the pretty rose gold, and it has all of the beads, and then it has the little coffee cup charm. Isn't that cute? So that, if you wanted to, you can attach to, you can attach it in a couple of different places, but you could attach it to the spine as well if you wanted to, of your cover. So you get that. And then you get this, which I adore. And I don't know what I want to use this for yet. I think I want to do a bookmark. I'm not sure. But it does have a film on the back that you just take like an X-Acto knife or something and you can peel that off. It's just a protective film. Isn't that cute? So you get that. There's a bunch of die cuts in here, and we're going to go through these because they're all kind of different. They're all adhesive backed. That was one of the things that I wanted a bunch of, especially if I was doing more of a blank notebook that I wanted to decorate myself. And so we have all of these funds, the sip spot, the little French press, what looks like a label, Coffee Bean Company, and then some of that great artwork, you, me, and a cup of tea. But first, coffee, where friends gather. Isn't that cute? A sweet morning treat. And then coffee smells like fairy tales and magic. The little snail. Another one that looks like the little label. And then another French press. Actually, I take that back. This is not a French press. What is that? That's an Italian coffee pot, right? There's a name for that. I apologize. I'm not prepared and I don't remember what it's called. But that's not a French press. Sorry. The other's a French press. Then we did a bunch of, I always love to do these. We haven't done them in a little while. The fun little kind of snarky quotes, and these are all coffee related. I don't have a problem with caffeine. I have a problem without. Coffee a day keeps the grumpy away. Life isn't perfect, but your coffee can be. Coffee, and then the liquid that smells like fresh ground heaven. I'm not addicted to coffee. We're just in a committed relationship, which is cute. So all of the fun little sayings. The I don't drink coffee to wake up. I wake up to drink coffee. That is absolutely 100% true for me. Because I smell the coffee, then I want to get up. It doesn't wake me up. I get up to drink it. And then the fun little Def Leppard reference. If you're an 80s child, pour some sugar on me. And then may the coffee be with you. And of course, these are all adhesive backed. Let's see if I can do it. So you can peel that back. It's already got the sticky on it. And then these are all kind of like tags. I love these. They look like little labels or badges, but we've got them. They all have the little thing pop out. So they're all little tags. And that one's got the 1989 grind on Michigan. How cute. And then the little Cocoa Daisy one. The Cuddle Cup Cafe. There's the Coffee Co. and the Cold Brew. Aren't they cute? I love these. So a bunch of different sizes. Bean Boutique. The North Coffee. And then, of course, our little cool beans. So you get lots of stuff you can use to decorate. Love that. You also get some note cards. And these are just one-sided. But you get 2 4x6, and this one looks like the coffee menu, and then this one says the yes, we're open, and it has the little coffee rings on it. And then you get 4 of the little 3x4 cups. Freshly brewed happiness. Happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book. And then the today's good mood sponsored by coffee. I think those are really, really cute. So you get those 4. You get this awesome stamp set. Love this. A bunch of fun sayings. There's a couple coffee cups in here. There's our little chickadee. You can stand him on the little to-go cuppy. I think these are really, really fun. Make sure you check out my stamping video where I give you some ideas. And it comes in its own little sleeve so you can keep your stamp nice and organized. You get a sheet of vellum coffee cup stickers. So you get all of those. You get a sheet of dark brown alphas. They're puffy alphas. You get a sheet of rub-ons. Love those. You get an overlay. How fun is that? Looks like you spilled your coffee. And then you get 6 sheets of pattern paper, and they are double-sided. So you have that one. Hit me with your best shot. Isn't that cute? Love that one. And then that one looks like a menu as well. And then more of the coffee rings, and then those. And you could even cut these out if you wanted to use them as die cuts as well. So that's a look at all that you get in the coffee kit. And let me show you what I created, or what I started. So this was kind of my idea of how I wanted to use the kit. This is one of the ideas on how I wanted to use the kit. Is I took, this is actually the Simple Daisy notebook. But what I'll probably do is I'll probably use the blank one, because I want to do a bunch of stamping and stuff. So I want to really play with them. But my idea was on slower mornings, like on the weekend, every morning I have my coffee and I plan out my day. I write out my to-do list in my planner. But sometimes I have ideas, I have creative ideas, I have creative thoughts, things I want to try, just random ideas. And I don't really have a home for those. I'll write them in my planner, but then they kind of get scattered all over on pieces of paper. And I try to put them in one section, and then I forget, and I move into the next month's planner and I lose them. And so I was like, it would be nice to just have a spot to put that stuff. And I usually have these ideas in the morning. So I thought, well, the weekend mornings are generally when it's a little slower and I don't have as much to put in my planner. And I thought if I had this designated planner, I have this designated cover, I can actually keep everything together in the folder, and then just kind of sit down with this. And I liked using the little coffee cup with a date stamp, and then writing out whatever that idea is. And then every time that I use this, or every time I have one of those ideas, I have a specific place to put it. And I thought it would be kind of fun. So that is what I'm going to do with this. So you can see I used some of the rub-ons, I used the puffy stickers, I had one of my pictures I printed out, and then I added one of the little tag die cuts there. Tag die cut there, along with one of the note cards. I did a little stamping on here as well, some more rub-ons. So I think this is going to be fun. This is kind of my thing that I'm going to do starting in the fall. So that's my idea on how I'm going to use it. And of course, I'm going to go through and decorate it all and have a lot of fun with it. But I love how this turned out, and I love the colors on it. Super, super fun. So that is a look at the coffee kit. And remember, if you are a subscriber, you have first dibs at this through the 14th. You can add it to your subscriber portal, and it will ship with your next kit. If there are any left, which we are more than halfway, I think we're 2/3 of the way through these at this point. If there are any left, then we will release them to the general public and they can snag some. So anyway, love this, love how it turned out, and I'm really excited with my little idea on how I want to use it. And I'm definitely going to use this, I think, as a bookmark in one of my books, because that's just too cute. So that's a look at the coffee kit that we have. And make sure you hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. Let me know what you're excited about. Let me know how you're going to use this kit. I would love to know how you're going to use the coffee kit. If you're just going to use it to decorate for a month, or if you're going to do some sort of a themed memory keeping about coffee shops you go to with friends, that would be really fun as well. Let me know. I would love to hear what you're going to do with it.